Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Adi Putra. I am a student of the Pancasakti University Language Education Faculty. In this video, I will discuss passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence whose subject is subject to a job or suffer from something. In other words, the subject of the sentences becomes the object of the activities done by the verb. In Indonesia, the characteristic of a passive sentences are the verbs beginning with ed. From example, eaten, called, eaten, drunk, eaten. Example, I am called by her. I am helped by Mary. In the two examples above, the subject of the sentences is subject to a job, namely helped and called. From the example of active and passive sentences above, it can be seen that the passive voice can be formed from the active voice. Shaping active voice into passive voice. The active sentences to be modified must have an object, so in this case the verb used must be a transitive verb, or verb that requires an object. The subject in the active sentences is converted into an object in the passive sentences, and vice versa. The object in the active sentences is changed to the subject in the passive sentences. The passive sentences verb must take the form past participle or verb 3, predicate by to be, am, is, are, was, were, being, and been, followed by so. It can be written that the predicate of a passive sentence is to be plus past participle or verb 3. A passive sentence is in the form of a continuous, then the predicate form is to be plus being plus past participle. The sentence's structure must be in accordance with the tenses or tense. 19 conditions from changing active voice to passive voice. Subject plus is, am, are plus past participle. 1. If the active sentence is in the form of a simple present tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern. Subject plus is, am, are plus past participle. Note: the use of to be is, am, are correspond to the object from the active sentences object. A. She reads a letter. She reads a letter. B. A letter is written by her. Active. Letter is written by her. Active. A. Active voice. B. Passive voice. 2. If the active sentences is present continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern. Subject plus am, is, are plus being plus past plus participle. Example. A. Active. He is closing the window. He is closing the window. Passive. The window is being closed by him. The window was being closed by him. 3. If the active sentence is in the form of the present perfect tense, then the passive sentence has a sentences pattern. subject plus have or has plus been plus past participle. Note: the use of have or has must be adjusted to the subject originating from the active sentences object. Example: active. They have played the ball. They have played the ball. They have played ball. B. The ball has been played by them. The ball has been played by them. 4. If the active sentences is in the form or is in the form of present perfect continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus have or has plus been plus being plus past participle. Example: active. Fuad has been waiting the lesson. Fuad has written the lesson. Passive. The lesson has been waiting by Fuad, and that lesson has been waiting by Fuad. 5. If the active sentences is in the form of a simple past tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus was or were plus past participle. Note: the use of was or were in a passive sentences is adjusted to the testing subject of the active sentences object. Example: active. Shahrojak opened the door. Shahrojak opened the door. Passive. The door were opened by him. 6. If the active sentences is in the form of a past continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus was or were plus being plus past participle. Example: active. Rifki was drinking some water. Rifki is drinking lots of water. Passive. Some water was being drunk by him. A lot of water is being drunk by him. 7. If the active sentences is in the form of a past perfect tense, then the passive voice has a sentences pattern: subject plus had been plus past participle. Example: A. Active. Acep had written a letter. He has written a letter. Passive. A letter had been written by him. A letter has been written by him. 9. If the active sentences is in the form of a simple future tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus will plus be plus past participle. Example: active. My wife will make some cake. My wife is going to make some cakes. Passive. Some cake will be made by my wife. Some of the cake will be made by my wife. 10. If the active sentences is in the form of a future continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus will plus be plus being plus past participle. Example: active. Nanda will be playing the ball. Nanda is about to play the ball. Passive. The ball will be being played by him. The ball will be played by him. If the active sentences is in the form of a future perfect tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern: subject plus will plus have been plus past participle. Example: active. They will have finished that work. They will have finished the job. Passive. That work will have been finished by them. The work will have already been completed by them. If the active sentences is in the form of a future perfect continuous tense. Then the passive sentences has a synthesis pattern. Subject plus will plus have been plus being plus have participle. Example, active Nurkalam will have playing volleyball. He'll be playing volleyball already. Passive, volleyball will have been being played by him. Volleyball will be already being played by him. 13. If the active sentences is in the form of a future past tense, then the past voice has a synthesis pattern. Subject plus word plus be plus participle act. An example, active, he would open the door. Passive, the door would be opened by him. The door would be opened by him. 14. If the active sentences is in the form of a future past continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a synthesis pattern. Subject plus word plus be plus being plus past participle. A. Active, they would be playing tennis. They are supposed to play tennis. Passive, tennis would be being played by them. Tennis is supposed to be played by them. 15. If the active sentences in the form of a future past perfect tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern. Subject plus word plus have been plus past participle. Example, A. Hudzaifa would have finished the work. Hudzaifa will have finished the job. Passive, that work would have been finished by him. The work will have already been completed by him. 16. If the active sentences is in the form of a future past perfect continuous tense, then the passive sentences has a sentences pattern. Subject plus word plus have been plus being plus past participle. Example, A. Rahmat would have been painting the house. Rahmat will already be painting the house. Passive, the house would have been being painted by him. The house will already be painted by him. 17. If the subject in the active voice is unknown or only mentioned in general terms, from example such as people, someone, him, or male, her, him, woman, them, then if it becomes an object in the passive sentences, it can be removed. Example, active, people speak English well all over the world. English speaking people all over the world. Passive, English is spoken well all over the world by people. English is spoken well all over the world by people. English is spoken well all over the world. English is spoken well all over the world. And 18. Objects of passive voice actor must be written if the person is carrying out a specific action. For example, Bell George by Billy. Example, active, Hilman painted the door. Hilman painted the door. Passive, the door painted by Hilman. The door was painted by Hilman. If the active sentences use auxiliary verb then the passive sentences will have a sentences pattern like the following: subject plus auxiliary plus be plus past participle. Example: active. If I can find the house. If I can find the house. Passive. The house can be painted by him. The house can be painted by him. Note: what can be used as a passive sentences is only an active sentences whose predicate is a transitive verb, that is, a verb that requires an object. For example, buy, bring, tell, give, drink, eat, agree, write, attention. Will the active sentences as an intransitive verb, which is a verb that does not require an object. For example, go, arrive, come, look, sleep, breathe, cannot be used as a passive voice. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi